In celebrities' birthday, today is the birthday of Shawn Corey Carter, better known as Jay-Z. He was born on 4th of December in 1969. Today he is celebrating a birthday of 54 years old. Jay-Z is an American rapper, record producer, and entrepreneur, known for his involvement in creative and commercial success of numerous artists. He was named the greatest rapper of all time by Billboard and Vibe in 2023. He is founder and chairman of entertainment company Roc Nation, and was the president of chief executive officer of Def Jam Recording from 2004 to 2007. Jay-Z was born and raised in New York City. He began his musical career in the late 1980s. He is co-founder of the record label Roc-A-Fella Records in 1994 and released his debut studio album Reasonable Doubt in 1996, which was met with critical praise. He went on to release 12 additional albums to further critical acclaim and commercial success, including The Blueprint in 2001, The Black Album in 2003, American Gangster in 2007, Over 44 in 2016. Jay-Z, beside the music career, he also participated in movies. Some movies in which he acted in are like Street is Watching in 1998, Backstage in 2000, State Property in 2002, Paper Soldiers in 2002, Paid in Full in 2002, Fade to Black in 2004, The Great Gatsby in 2013, Made in America in 2013, Annie in 2014, Rest in Power in 2018, Teddy in 2023, Renaissance, a film by Beyoncé in 2023. Wishing happy birthday to Jay-Z. Thank you for watching.